Finally, talking about sport and about the return of international cricket to Pakistan, which is starting. Sri Lanka have been, Bangladesh have been. How long till we see an England tour of Pakistan, do you think?
Well, 2019 was the safest year in Pakistan since 9/11. Problems started in Pakistan after 9/11, and then after 2006, foreign cricket teams stopped coming to Pakistan because of our security situation.
Yeah, there was the attack on the Sri Lankan team.
There were New Zealand were there when there was an attack, and so the cricket teams disappeared and the investors disappeared. So we went through a really terrible time during this war on terror. And I'm really happy to say that 2019 was the safest year since then. And a lot of countries now have removed their travel advisors to Pakistan. I asked President Trump too that US also should remove their travel advisor to our country. Tourism doubled in 1 year, in 2018-19, tourism doubled in Pakistan because now the country is safe. So I expect foreign teams to come soon.
Can you imagine welcoming the Indian team?
I hope, the saddest thing for me is that I reached out to India immediately after I became Prime Minister because I know India. And I had such friendships, and I just, for years have been, got love and respect in India. And I thought I would reach out to them and, if two countries, if we start trading with each other, it's the best way to fight poverty. But unfortunately, and I say sadly, India has been taken over by this extreme ideology. And people in India will suffer as much as, say, the people in Kashmir are suffering. Because whenever, I repeat, whenever such an ideology takes over, it always leads to bloodshed.
I think that's a no then to welcoming an Indian team. I know it's hard to imagine in a moment like this.
But hopefully maybe another election, would change things.